phase. After that, we have the practice phase. And at the end, we have a quiz phase. In this, you can analyze yourself, how much you are getting and how much you are able to answer the questions. Okay. So let's begin with the learn session. So in this learning, we are going to learn all the things about mean, mode, median, and range. So we are going to address these questions. First question is, what is mean, mode, median, and range? So in this, I will let you know the definitions of that, these things, and I will also tell you how we can figure it out. Okay. After having the knowledge of what is, then we have to figure it out how to find of them. Okay. So after having this to knowledge, we are ready to do the practice some questions. And after that, we have quiz, and then I will tell you some exam techniques, which is really helpful to score good in your 11 plus exam. And at the end, I will summarize the lesson. Okay. So let's begin with our first topic, that is what is mean. I am very much sure most of you know some of the things about mean, mode, median, and range, right? So if you know it, then let's revise it. If you don't know, then I am here to help you out. Okay. So as you can see here, what is mean? The definition of mean is, it is just most common type of average. Okay. And how we can find it out? So mean is the total numbers divided by how many numbers are there. So you can see the formula here as well. Sum of all the numbers divided by total number. Okay. So it is a ratio of sum of all numbers over total numbers. Fine. So if you know this, you are able to find it out mean for any type of question. Let's say I'm going to take one example. Okay, so I am reading this question for you. 6 people take a test. So there are how many people? 6. Okay. And the next important thing is how much their score. Okay. So their score out of 100 are 56, 79, 77, 90, 69, and 79. So these are the scores. Okay. And there are total 6 people. So as you remember the mean formula, first of all, numerator will be the total, right? So, okay. If you want to figure it out, the mean, how you can figure it out? You have the numerator and denominator, right? So numerator value should be the sum of all the numbers, right? And that's why you need to add all of them. Okay. So let's start adding them. Okay. And denominator is very clear. Okay. Denominator is very clear. How many people are there? So 6 people is there. So divided by 6 we need to do. But for numerator, we need to add all of this. Okay. So it's on you how you want to add. Let's do the column addition. Okay. 56 plus 79 plus 77 plus 90 plus 69 plus 79. So here you can see we will add this first. 6 plus 9, 15, right? 15 plus 7, 22. 22 plus 0, 22. 22 plus 9, 31. 31 plus 9, how much? 40. So 0 will be here, 4 will be carryover. So 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23 plus 9, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. 38 plus 7, how much? 45, right? So the sum is here 450. Okay, after having the knowledge of this numerator and denominator, you have to divide them, right? So you are allowed to use anything, like you can simplify the ratio or you can directly divide by short division. Okay, so let's do short division directly if you want to do. Let's say like this. So 6 times 7, that is how much? 42, right? And 3 is the remainder. So 3 and 0 will make 30. So 6 times 5 will gives you 30. So no remainder. So mean of this given data set is 75. Are you getting this, all of you? Please show me thumbs up if this is clear to all of you. Show me please thumbs up. Okay, so well done. Nothing is to worry. If you have still confusion, then we are going to take many questions on it. Okay, but let's move on to the next definition, and that next definition is about median. So the next thing is, what is median? Okay, so let's figure it out. What is median? Median is just middle number. Okay, so median is middle number, but there is a condition. To find median, first we need to arrange them in increasing order. Okay, or you can say decreasing order. It's okay, but you have to sort them. Fine, in any order it's fine, either it is increasing or decreasing, but you have to arrange them in order. Once you arrange them, you can figure it out what is your middle number, and then the middle number is your median. Okay, but sometimes it's possible you have two middle numbers, then you need to take the average of those two middle numbers. Okay, if you have just one middle number, then that is directly your median. If there are two, then you have to take the average of them. Okay, fine. Okay, so let's do this question. Find the median of these numbers. Okay, and numbers are given here. Now, if you want to figure it out, what is the median? First of all, you have to arrange them in increasing order. Okay, I am prefer to use in increasing order. Okay, so what is minimum number? I can see my minimum number is 6. Okay, so I'm starting with 6. What is my next minimum number? I can see that is 7. So let's have 7. And then let's say what is the next minimum number? I can see 8. Okay. And there are 8 for 2 times. So let's mention for 2 times. Okay. And then 9. So I can see there are 2 nines. So write it down for 2 times. And then 12 is there. Okay. Yeah. 2 12s are there. Okay. And at the end you have 15. Okay. So after doing this much, you have to make sure you are not missing any number. And how you can check that? You can just count how many numbers initially you have: 3, 6, and 9. And how much now you have: 3, 6, and 9. So none of the number is missing, right? So it's fine. Now, as you know, you have to find the middle number, right? So you can see there are 9 number and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you start from the back side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the middle number, right? Yeah. Are you agree with this? This is completely sure. This is the middle number. And if this is the middle number, then this is going to be your median. Right, everyone? Yeah, this is the middle number. And that's why this is your median. Okay, for this given data set. If you change any value or if you add any value, then median will get changed. Okay, because middle number will get changed. Fine. So I think median is clear. Show me thumbs up if median is clear to all of you. Okay, very good, everyone, for your response. Let's move on to the next topic, that is mode. Okay, so mode is also like mode is the easy thing. Okay, so how we can figure it out? Mode. For mode, you don't have to do any other operation. You just have to figure it out which number is most common number. Okay, or you can just read the data, read the numbers, and you can figure it out which number comes frequently. So to find mode, we need to find most frequently occurring number. Okay, in the given data set. That is your answer. So let's do this question. In this question, I can see I have the data and they're asking me to find mode. Okay, so find the mode for this numbers. And what are the numbers I have? 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 1, 7, 3, 5, 2, and 3. Okay, so whatever number possible to me, it's okay. Nothing is to worry. I have to just check which number is repeating for most of the time. So I can see, okay, let's start with this first number. 3 is repeating for 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times, right? Now check, is there any other number is repeating for 4 times? If it is, if any other number is there, then your answer will be that. Otherwise, 3 will be your answer, right? So I can see there is a 2 which is repeating for 2 times, but that is not more than 3, right? So I can see clearly mode is the 3 only, okay? Because most occurring number is 3, and that's why mode is 3. Okay. Are you getting me? So let's have this. What is range? Okay. Okay. So range, to find range, we need to figure it out 2 values. Okay. First value is the highest value and the next value is the lowest value. For any given data set, if you know what is the highest value and what is the lowest value, then you are able to find the range. So a range is a measure of how spread out the set of data. So it will gives you idea like how much it's spread out. Okay, so it is starting from this number and ending with this number. So it will gives you idea like how much it's spread out. Okay, now how we can figure it out? This one. So range, you can figure it out by difference between highest and the lowest value. Fine. So This is the example. Let's check it out. What I'm saying, I'm going to apply here so you can more understand here. Okay, in this example. So let me start reading this question. So question is about find the range, okay, of this given numbers. So what are my numbers? 9, 7, 12, 9, 16, 12, 15, 8, and 7. But it's okay. Whatever number given to me, for me, it just two numbers are important. First number is the highest number of this given data set, and the next number is the lowest number, right? Okay, so you have to find it out the maximum, like the biggest number, right? Highest value, it means what? Biggest value. So here I can see 16 is the biggest number, right? Or you can say highest. Okay. And is there any other number more than 16? No, you have to confirm, okay? Because otherwise you will lose marks. So here it is final. Now look for the smallest number, okay? Or you can say lowest value. So I can see 7, I think lowest, okay? So this is the lowest value. And one more time, you have to check, is there any less than 7? Is there any number 6 or less? So no, there are no numbers. Okay, 7 is the lowest. Okay, once you confirm highest and lowest number, it's easy. You just have to write this formula, range equals to highest minus lowest. Okay. So once you write this, you can put the value 16 minus 7, and that is how much? That's 9. Okay. So yeah, up to this, what we learned? We learned mean, then mode, then median, and then range. Okay, and I think it's a pretty clear all the definitions I have discussed with you, and I have also taken one example for all these four quantities. Okay, so it must be clear, and if it is not clear, then also we are going to do some questions together. Yeah, and that's it for learning session. We are ending and we are starting the practicing session. Okay, in this I'm going to give you some time limit. Under that time limit you need to solve that question. If you are able to solve it, it's good. If not, then we will solve it together, so don't worry. Okay, so yeah, let me select someone from you. Hmm. Durva, can you please read this question?
Okay. Find the mean of these numbers 7, 8, 6, 4, 9, 7, and 1.
Thank you, Durva. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this. Okay, everyone? I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this question, and your time starts now. Please solve, everyone. Time's up, everyone. Okay, so let me select someone from you. And Chola, can you please tell me what is your answer?
6.
Okay, thank you. We will check and revert you. Okay. So, as we all know how to find the mean, right? We all know the formula. We have to figure, first of all, we have to figure it out what is the sum of the given numbers, right? So, let's figure it out the sum. 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 9 plus 7 and plus 1, right? So, if you find the sum of this, 7 plus 8, that is how much? 15, right? 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 plus 9, 34. 34 plus 7, 41. 41 plus 1, 42. Okay. So this is the 42. Once you know the sum, you can figure it out the mean, because for mean, the formula is sum divided by total numbers, right? So the sum is 42, and how many numbers you have? 7 numbers. So 42 divided by 7. So mean is going to be 6, because we all know 7 times 6 is the 42, right? Yeah. Okay. So now please show me thumbs up if it is clear. And thank you. Your answer is absolutely correct. Very good. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. And let me select someone from you to read this question. So Ishan, can you please? Okay, let me select someone else. Athar, can you please?
Find the median of these numbers.
Okay, thank you. So we have to figure it out what is the median for this given data set, okay? And median finding out is very easy, like compared to mean, you just have to arrange them, okay? So, but still I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this, okay? Don't do any mistake. 2 minutes is more than enough. So start solving this. Okay, time's up. So I'm going to ask someone of you. Prakrati, can you please answer this question?
Is it 39?
Okay, we will check and okay, thank you for your answer. Please mute yourself. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, how to find the median? So first of all, we need to arrange them in either increasing or decreasing. Okay, so let's start ordering them in increasing. Okay, so first of all, figure it out. What is the lowest number here? So I can see 31 is the lowest number. Okay, so once I'm selecting this, I'm putting some mark on this number. Okay, so this is easy for me while checking another numbers. Okay, so the next number is 32. I can see. Yeah. After 32, what I have, I can see 35, right? And then I can see 37. Okay. And then 39 is there. Okay. Now all the remaining numbers are greater than like 40 or 40, right? So this is the next number, 40. And then you have 41. Okay. And after that, you have this last number, and that is the 43. So now please calculate what are the number given to you. So there are total 8 numbers given to you, and in your list also 8. So none of the number is missing. So fine. First of all, you know that median is what? Middle number, right? So if you figure it out here, middle number, okay? So I can see there are 2 middle numbers, right? These are the middle numbers, right? 3 this side, left side, and 3 on the right hand side. So these are the middle numbers, okay? You have 2 middle numbers. So if you have the 2 middle numbers, then you don't have to worry. You have to just do one thing, that is take the average, okay? Find the average of this number, okay? Take the average. So what will be the average? 37 plus 39 divided by 2. This you need to do, okay? And if you add them, what we are going to get? So it's the how much we are going to get. 7 plus 9, that is going to be 16. 1 will be carry over. 3 plus 3, that's the 6 plus 1, 7. So 76 divided by 2. Okay. And if you do so, then you are going to get 38. So 38 is your median. Okay. Yeah. Are you getting me? So this is the median. So I am repeating the step. First of all, you need to arrange them in increasing order. Okay. So this is step number 1. Okay. Now, step number 2, you have to select a number. If there is only one middle number, then that is your directly answer, right? If there are 2 medians, I mean 2 middle numbers, then you have to take the average of those 2 numbers to find your median. Is it clear, Prakrati? Yeah, is it clear for everyone? Show me thumbs up. Okay, so it is possible your answer can be any different number, okay? So it's not about like 38 is not available, so 38 cannot be my answer. 38 can be your answer because that is the median, or you can say that is the middle value for the given data set, okay? And if there are two middle number, then you are always have to take the average, okay? You cannot select either 37 or 39 directly. So you need to perform average for this. Okay, so answer for this question is 38, and difficulty level you have to consider this one is easy only. Let's have the next question, and let me select okay, Amina, can you please read this question?
Work out the mode and the range of this set of numbers.
Okay, thank you. So please everyone figure it out, what is the mode and range for this given data set. And this is easy question because it will not take much time like last two. Okay, so I'm giving you 1.58, and this is more than enough, okay? You can even do this question in 30 seconds only. Still, I am providing you this one. So make sure you are not going to give me wrong answer because you have enough time. Okay, time's up and I'm going to select one of you. Jeremiah, can you please answer this question?
On mode,
Yes, for mod.
it is 8.
Okay. And Anchala, can you please answer me for range?
The range is 10.
Okay, so we have two answers. Let's check is it correct or not. So as usual, we know we know what is mode, right? Mode is the number which is occurring most of the time, or you can say most frequently. So just by looking, you can figure it out. Like 8 is visible for 3 times, right? Whereas other numbers, is there any repeating? No. So 8 is the most frequent number, right? So that's why mod is equals to 8, because mod is the most frequently repeated number, and that is 8 clearly. So yeah, Jeremiah, your answer is absolutely correct. And other members, I can see in the chat box, you all are also correct. Now let's talk about range, okay? As I mentioned earlier, for range, you have to, don't worry, for given data, you just have to worry about two datas. First one is the highest number, or you can say highest value, right? And the next one is the lowest value. Okay. So from this given data set, I can see the highest value is 17, right? 17 is the highest value. And the lowest value, I can see clearly 7. Okay. So 17 minus 7, that is 10. Okay. So yeah, your answer is also absolutely correct. Very good. So most of you are correct for this, both the answer. Okay. And this question I can consider as easy category. Okay, and this time is like already given more than enough. Okay, it can be solved in within 1 minute only, but it's okay. 8 and 10 will be your answer. Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next page, and let me select one of you to read this question. And I'm going to start with Sweta. Can you please read this question?
The mean of 6, 12, 14, 9, 4, and x and 15 is 9. Find the value of x.
Okay, so the mean of this given numbers, okay, these are the numbers highlighted green, okay, and the mean is the 9, okay, and they are looking for the value of x. So figure it out how we are going to do this question, and you have 2 minutes to do this question. Yes, everyone. Once you get the answer, you can always send me.
I got 3.
Okay. Okay, show me thumbs up if other members are agree with this. Let's see how many member is agree with you. So many of us is agree with you. So let's figure it out. You are correct or not. Okay, I'm writing your right answer here. Okay, fine. So what is this question? This question is all about mean. Okay, and you know the formula for mean, right? First of all, these are the numbers. Okay, so you have to add them, right? So let's add them. And mean is equals to what? First of all, numerator will be all about sum, right? And we are going to divide by available numbers, right? So how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 numbers you have, right? So here, you know already the value of mean, right? So sum is going to be how much? Sum is going to be 7 times mean, right? Is this correct? I'm just rearranging the given formula, okay? Once I'm doing this, I know my sum is 63, right? Because 7 times 9, that is 63. So once I'm clear with the sum, now I need to put all these values on the left-hand side, available numbers, okay? 6 plus 12 plus 14 plus 9 plus 4, okay? And plus 15 and plus x, okay? Fine, this much you have. Okay, and the sum is equals to 63, that you already know because we have calculated. Okay, now it's time to add them. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 12, that is how much? So if you add 21 plus 12, then you are going to get 33, right? Okay. So 33 plus 14. So if you add 33 plus 14, then that's a 47. 47 plus 9, 47 plus 9, that is going to be 56. 56 plus 4, that is 60. Okay. So 60 plus x equals to 63, right? This is you have. And now if you want to figure it out what is x, then x must be what? 63 minus 60, and that is 3 only. So Tara, your answer is absolutely correct. Fantastic. Very good. And answer will be 3. And difficulty level, I can say medium, right? Because you have to figure it out this little bit different question using concept of mean. So let's move on to the next question, everyone. Okay. So let me select someone from you who is going to read this question. Srishti, can you please read this question?
Mean group of 10 numbers is 44. Two numbers 7 and 9 are added in the group. Find the new mean.
Okay, so everybody, there is already, you have one mean for a group of 10 people. Okay, I mean group of 10 number. Now you are adding two new numbers, 7 and 9. So what is your new mean? You have to figure it out, this one. And I am giving you to solve this question 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, your time starts now. Everyone, please do this question. Okay, 1 minute left, everyone. So during exam, you have to be very quick, okay? But with the accuracy as well, okay? You need to maintain accuracy as well. Because otherwise you are not able to finish paper. And if you not attempt full paper, then you are going to score lesser only, right? So it's important to attempt full paper with the accuracy, and all this is possible only and only if you able to manage your time properly, okay? So time management is also playing a very good role in the exam. So you have to be do these questions, all these questions while practicing. You have to set the time limit to solve it. Okay, time's up, everyone. So let me select one of you and let's see who is answer. Okay, Sonia Das, can you please explain? I mean, just answer. Okay, can you please tell me just answer?
I'm not quite sure about my answer.
Okay, no problem. Siddharth, can you please answer me this question?
5.
Okay, so show me thumbs up if other members are agree with 5. Okay, so okay, so very few of them is agree with that. So there are two chances: either you are wrong or either they also have the problem. But it's okay. I can see many of you feel the difficulty in this question, so let's do it together. Okay, so let's do it together. And as you can see here, we have the number, like we have the some numbers, right? And it is a group of 10 numbers, right? Okay, so mean of a group of 10 number is the 44. So if you want to figure it out, what is the sum? Okay, sum of given 10 numbers. Okay, how we can figure it out this one? So all you know, this is mean times 10 number. Okay, like this. Why we are multiplying by 10? Because this is average mean for all these 10 numbers, right? So if you multiply them, then you will going to get the sum of their 10 these numbers. Okay, all these numbers. So 44 times 10 you have to do, and you are going to get sum of previously whatever numbers you have, that is 440. Now you are adding two more numbers into it. Okay, so after adding this, now the total number will be 12, right? So sum of all 12 numbers. Okay, so that is how much previously sum is 440. That is sum of 10 numbers. And now the 11th number is the 7 and the 12th number is the 9. Okay, so 440 as it is, and 7 plus 9, that is how much? It's clearly 16, right? And if you add this properly, then you are going to get 456. Okay, yeah. So once you get this sum 456, now it's time to find the mean, right? New mean. So mean is going to be what? The sum divided by total, right? Total numbers. So 456 divided by 12. Okay. Fine. So if you have to, if you divide this 456 divided by 12, you are going to get 38. Okay. Fine. So 38 will be your answer. Either you can use the short division or any method to get this answer. Okay. You are going to get 38. And now the difficulty level of this question, you can consider the medium level, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's move on to the next question, all of you. And let me choose one of you to read this question. Okay. Olivia, can you please read this question?
The mean of a group of 10 numbers is 44. Two numbers, 7 and 9, are added in the group. Find the new mean.
Okay, so this is by mistake the same question. So nothing is to worry. Let's start the practice session. Okay. Okay. I mean quiz section. Okay. So we are starting the quiz section, and in this you are going to figure it out what you are learning. Like up to now, you are able to do this or not. Okay. Fine. So let's start with this question. Okay. And Olivia, now please, can you please read again? Okay. Let me select your name. Yes, Olivia. Please read this question just up to A part.
The weights in kilograms of 8 members in a team at a sports event are 75, 76, 78, 73, 74, 71, 77, and 76. Calculate the
So,
mean and mode.
okay. So just A part is about calculate median and mode, and B part is about calculate range. Okay. So you have to figure it out all the things, mode, median, and range. Okay. So I am giving you 3 minutes to solve this question. Okay. Or else keep 4 minutes. No worry. 3 minutes is more than enough. Okay. So keep 3 minutes and start solve. Start your answer solving and all those things. Okay. Okay, nothing is to worry. I'm going to solve. Okay, I'm not going to ask anyone. Let's solve it together. This is already quiz section, so you have to compare your answer and mine answer. Okay, if you are getting correct, then it's well and good. Otherwise, you have to do it. Again, you have to revise the concepts. Okay, so let's say there are 8 members, right? If there are 8 members, that is okay for us. Nothing is to worry. First of all, we are looking for median. And for median, you have to arrange them in increasing order, right? So I can see the lowest value here is the 71. So let's start with 71. Okay. Now the next number I can see the second lowest is the 73. So second number is 73. Then I can see 74. Okay. So I'm arranging them here. Now after 74, 75. Okay. Then 76. 76. Okay. Now, after 76, you can see this is 77. Okay, write it down. And the biggest number is 78 you have. Okay. And I can see there are 8 numbers and the given numbers are also 8. So none of the number is missing. So once we confirm that all the numbers are present here in the increasing order, you can always choose the middle number, right? But the given numbers are 8 numbers. So we have 2 middle numbers, right? 75 and 76. Right. So once you have the 2 middle numbers, you always have to take the average of these 2 numbers, right? So average of 75 and 76, that is going to be what? The middle of this, right? So that is the 75.5. Is it clear, everyone? Show me thumbs up if it is clear to all of you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, everyone. So this is all about median. Okay. Now find it out the mode. Okay. So mode, it means what? Whatever number comes frequently. Okay. Whatever number is most repeating. So here I can see most repeating number is for 76. Okay. 76 is repeating for 2 times. So mode is going to be 76. Clearly, right? So that's a clear, and mode will be 76. Okay. Now we have solved the first question, that is median is 75.5 and mode is 76. Now look at the B part. As we know, the B part is all about the range, and range is nothing but what? Highest number minus lowest number, right? Yes, highest minus lowest. And here highest number is all about how much? Highest number is 78 and the lowest number is 71. So if you figure it out, this is nothing but 7, right? So here we have the answers. All the answers are in front of you. 75.5 and 76. And for B part, it's a 7. Okay. And difficulty level, I say it is medium level. There is nothing else to worry. This is medium level. Okay. Please mute yourself, Anshula. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Okay. AJ, can you please read this question?
The mean of 12, 14, 15, 16, y 20, 11 is 13. Find the value of y.
Okay, so your time starts now. I'm giving you 2 minutes to solve this question. You have to solve this question in 2 minutes, okay? And we need to figure it out what is the value of y. Okay, time's up, everyone. We have to solve this question now, okay? We have already done enough time. So let's begin this question, okay? As you can see here, how many numbers given to us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers are there, okay? So once you know the 8 numbers, denominator is fixed, right? Denominator should be 8, right? That is for sure. Denominator will be 8 because total numbers are 8. Now we need to add them, right? So first of all, you need to start adding them, okay? So 12 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus y plus 20 plus 11, okay? My mistake, okay? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there, okay? 13 is mean. So yeah, I need to correct this. Okay. So now instead of mean, I can put the value of 13, okay? And what is my sum? So I need to add 12 plus 14 and all this thing I have to do, but I will do just column addition. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 0, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. So 8 will be here, 1 will be carry over. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, okay, 7 plus 1, 8. So 88 will be there and plus y will be there and divide by 7 is there, okay? So what is going to happen? 13 times 7 equals to 88 plus y, okay? And 13 times 7, if you do, then how much you are going to get? 91. So 91 is this and 88 plus y. So y must be how much? Y must be 3 only, right? 91 minus 88. So it must be 3. So answer of this question is 3 and difficulty level, I will say medium, right? So using the concept of mean, you have to figure it out this missing value by, okay? Let's move on to the next question. And Alia, can you please read this question?
The mean of a group is 14. Positive numbers is 5. The three numbers 3, 5, and 7 are added into the group. What is the new mean?
Okay, all of you, please do this question. You have 2 minutes to do this question. Okay, so in 5 minutes, our session is going to be end, but we have a session with the parents, okay, from 2 to 2:30. So make sure you are going to call your parents right now and you can ask them to join from 2, okay? Yeah, do that help to me, okay? Because we have to take this question answer round, okay, with them. So let's solve this question, okay? And then we, okay. So mean of the group of 14 positive number is the 5, okay? So first of all, you know that mean, right? So sum of 14 numbers, or you can say 14 numbers equals to how much? So that is mean times 14, right? And that is 5 times 14. So from here you got it, the sum is 70, right? And now you are adding 3 numbers into it, okay? So now sum of 17 numbers, that is going to be how much? So previously you have the sum of 14 numbers, keep that 70 and add the extra numbers, whatever you are going to add, 3, 5, and 7. So if you add this, what is going to happen? 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 plus 7, that's a 15, okay? So 70 plus 15, that is 85. And now you are going to find the new mean. Okay. So mean is equals to what? Sum divided by total number. And how many numbers you have? 70. And what is your sum? So your sum is 85. Okay. So 85 divided by 17, that's very clearly it's a 5. Okay. Okay. So answer of this question is 5. And difficulty level of this question is medium. Fine. So let's talk about some exam technique. Okay. So be aware about the possibility of the multiple modes or no mode. Okay. So this is also a possible thing. If someone will ask you what is the mode value, there can be 2 or more modes, or you can say in no mode. Okay. This type of situation can be possible. Now be aware about the possibility of multiple modes. Okay. This is already clear. Verify that the data set is properly sorted. Okay. Before identifying the median. So you need to be very, very sure, like you are doing this, you are arranging them in proper order. Okay, fine. And the third thing is about check that you have correctly subtracted the lowest value from the highest value. Okay, to find the value of range. Fine. So while calculating the range, you have to be make sure you are doing subtraction properly. Okay, otherwise you are going to get the wrong answer for the range. Now let's talk about summary. So mean represent the average value of the set of the given data set. Okay. And mode represent the most frequently occurring number. Okay. And the next thing is what? Median represent the middle value of the given data set. Okay. But for that, you need to arrange them in order. Okay. This is the must condition. And the next thing is what? Range. Range represent the difference between the highest and the lowest value in the given data set, right? Okay. So thank you.